All right, folks, get out your cosmic popcorn because we're about to throw some seriously out-of-this-world stuff your way. Why aliens might be peeping on us as we speak. Yeah, you heard me, extraterrestrial peeping toms. But you know, not in that creepy sense. Well, kinda creeper, but mostly fascinating. Okay, put it this way. You are in your backyard, doing whatever it is that you do, and then suddenly you realize the whole time somebody's been watching you. Freaky, right? Now put that on a planetary scale. That's pretty much what the zoo hypothesis is all about. Some wild idea that Earth might just be a huge cosmic zoo, and we're the main attraction. Now I know what you're thinking. Come on, we're not that interesting, but just hear me out. What this theory in essence is saying is that there are super intelligent alien civilizations that exist, and they keep tabs on us humans, as if we are some sort of reality TV show, keeping up with the Earthlings. But why would they do that? Well, it's not just for kicks and giggles. It's the idea that these advanced aliens have some sort of prime directive, you know, like in Star Trek. They have decided it is best to let us develop on our own without any alien interference. You see a butterfly struggling to get out of its cocoon. You might want to help, but you know it needs to do it alone to grow strong. Same deal here, but on a galactic scale. But wait, there's more. Some take that to an even higher extreme with what is called the laboratory hypothesis. Like its insane scientist cousin of the zoo hypothesis, instead of simply observing us, the theory proposes aliens are conducting active experiments on us. I know, sounds just like one of those far-fetched sci-fi movie scenarios. Visualize Earth as this gigantic petri dish, with us playing the part of its colonies of bacteria. These alien scientists might be fiddling around, observing how we react to this and that. That could be why history is sometimes so weird. Ancient Egyptians building huge pyramids. Aliens wanted to see if we could figure out how to move big rocks. The sudden leap in technology during the Industrial Revolution. Alien scientists giving us a little boost just to see what we do with it. Now, before you go off creating some sort of tinfoil hat and secluding yourself within your basement, just remember, these are merely theories. Cool theories, mind you, but theories at best. They are attempts at answering one giant, head-scratching question now called the Fermi paradox. The Fermi paradox is this. With the universe being so flippin' huge, containing billions of galaxies and trillions of planets, surely there must be other life out there, right? So, as the famous physicist Enrico Fermi asked, where is everybody? It's like throwing the biggest party ever and nobody shows up. Talk about a cosmic bummer. That's where these zoo and laboratory ideas come in. They're like, hey, maybe the party guests are here. They're just hiding behind the cosmic couch, watching us dance like nobody's watching. Except they are watching. Spooky, huh? But let's break this down a bit. If these theories are true, that means some pretty wild stuff. We are definitely not alone in the universe. There are other civilizations out there, and they are way smarter than us. We are dealing with beings that can observe an entire planet without being noticed. That is one Where's Waldo skill right there. It also means these aliens have some pretty strict rules about not messing with developing civilizations like ours. It's kind of sweet when you think about it. They're letting us grow up, make our own mistakes, like cosmic helicopter parents who have finally learned to let go. But here's where it gets really interesting. If we're in a galactic zoo or lab, what happens when we're ready for the big leagues? Is there some sort of cosmic graduation ceremony? Do we get a diploma in advanced planetaryhood? Or maybe they're just waiting for us to figure it out ourselves and give them a call. Hey, alien dudes! We've got faster than light travel now. Can we come hang out? Now, I can almost hear some of you saying, this sounds like it's straight out of a movie. And it's not even wrong. That Earth as an intergalactic zoo, or laboratory concept, has generated a bunch of books, movies, and even TV shows. Like Hollywood took it and said, hold my beer. Think about it. The Monolith in 2001, A Space Odyssey, aliens checking in on their experiment. The alien Klaatu in The Day the Earth Stood Still. Maybe he's like a zookeeper doing a routine checkup. Even The Truman Show could be a micro version of this idea. We're all Jim Carrey, and the aliens are Ed Harris. But for real though, as awesome as these hypotheses sound, they are not without their drawbacks. Some killjoys, none other than critics, say that the zoo hypothesis is way too Earth-centric. They go on to say, guys, are we really that special? And yeah, they do have a point. I mean, I think we're pretty awesome, but interesting enough to aliens to watch us for eons? That's a hard sell. Others point out how hard it would be to keep such a massive secret. Try to imagine how difficult it would be to get every advanced civilization in the galaxy to agree on anything, let alone a don't talk to the humans policy. It would be like trying to get everyone on Earth to agree on the best pizza topping. Good luck with that. And then, of course, there's the big question of evidence. These hypotheses explain why we haven't made contact, but they don't give us any piece of solid proof. It's like saying, I can't see any elephants in my room, so they must be invisible. Not the strongest argument, you've got to admit. But you know what? That's what makes this whole thing so exciting. It dares us to think big, to look at our place in the universe totally anew. Whether it is a cosmic zoo, a galactic laboratory, or just one more regular planet floating through space. These ideas set our imagination into work. They make us go, what if? Isn't that what is supposed to make us human? To speculate upon the stars and wonder, to question and imagine? Maybe that is the fascinating thing these aliens hypothetically find intriguing about us. Our curiosity, the creativity in creating wild theories on why we haven't met them yet. So, next time you are outside on a clear night, look up to the stars, give them a little wave, maybe even do a little jig. You never know who might be watching. And hey, if we're in a cosmic zoo, let's make this the most entertaining exhibit in the galaxy. Keep looking, keep questioning, and keep the sense of wonder alive. Because whether we are alone in the universe or part of some grand galactic experiment, one thing is for sure, the truth is out there, and it's probably weirder and more wonderful than we can imagine. So what do you think? Are we unwitting stars in the greatest reality show never broadcast? Are alien scientists taking notes on our every move? Or is the truth even stranger? The universe is a big, mysterious place, and theories like these remind us of just how much we still have to learn. We continue to reach for the stars, launch rockets, and peer through our telescopes in search of alien life. Let's just keep those wild ideas in the back pocket. Who knows? Maybe one day we will look up and see a "You Are Here" sign floating in space. Until then, let us enjoy the mystery, bask in the wonder, and pose those big cosmic questions. Remember, in this big universe, anything is possible. We might be alone, we might be in a zoo, or we might be part of something so incredible that we can't even imagine it yet. Whatever the truth is, one thing's for sure, it's going to be out of this world. So keep your eyes in the skies, your mind open to possibility, and your sense of humor at the ready, for if we are in a cosmic zoo, we might as well be the most entertaining exhibit around. After all, the show must go on even if we don't know we're in one. And hey, to all the aliens who might be reading this now, who knows, right? Please drop in and say hi. We don't bite hard. Just give us a little advance notice, if that's okay, so we can clean up around here. Earth's kinda a mess at the moment, we're on top of it. Meanwhile, let's keep on exploring, continue to wonder, and keep on looking up. Because whether we're alone in the universe or part of some grand cosmic experiment, one thing's for certain, the journey of discovery is the greatest adventure of all. And who knows, maybe that's exactly what our potential alien observers find so fascinating about us humans. To the unknown, to the unexplored, to the unimaginable, salute. Maybe we are living in the best show in the universe. And to you too, dear Earthling, just for being a part of this cosmic adventure. Stay curious, keep weird, and wonderfully human. For on this huge cosmic zoo we call home, that might well be the most extraordinary thing of all.